Hey everyone, this screencast is going to give you directions for how to do our last project, which is the Africa one-pager. So I'm giving you 2 days for this project because it's a little more creative and I want you to be able to have enough time to do a good job. I'm going to start with my example, then I'll go over the directions and give you step-by-step directions of how to be able to do the one-pager. So this is my example of the one-pager. I didn't finish it, but I gave you an example of all the different parts. So the first part I want you to notice is the border. The border is some of the keywords that you all thought of for the Africa A to Z review. So what you'll do is you'll use the list of words from the Africa A to Z review, and I put this in the folder for this week. You can use these words. You could use other words if you had some on your A to Z that I did not put on here, but I tried to put almost all of your words that I saw on the master list. So when I did this, I had the master list and then I was writing the words around the border of the grid. So another way to say that is in the margin or in the border, I want you to write the keywords. Now, I was trying to do some like color coding, like up here, these were words that were going to be connected to the Sahara, and then elephants, gorillas, wet, humid, that was going to be the rainforest here, grassland, trees, lions, that was the savanna, and then I was going to do the Nile River. So I was trying to I was thinking I could organize the words into the 4 different places I was going to talk about. You don't have to be that detailed. You could just write the words going around. You could type them. You could also do this project on paper if you are more of like a paper artist and you like to draw. I did this in Notability. Okay, so the first thing I'm looking for is the border having the keywords. Okay, the second thing I'm looking for is, do you see there's 4 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4? I want you to look back at your notes about 4 of the different regions that we've studied, and I want you to do 3 things. I want you to write the name of the region, 1 fact that you think is important about the region, and then 3 or 4 pictures. And I got these pictures from my friend, Google. So I did the Sahara Desert. Here's my fact. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. And then I searched up 3 pictures that show that it is hot. And I had for my words here, I had nomad. And so I wanted to put a picture with some of the nomads on the camels. So then what I would do next is over here, I was thinking I would do the tropical rainforest. And then here I was thinking I'd do the savanna. And over here I would do the Nile River. Okay, so this is what your final project would look like, but with all 4 of these rectangles filled in. I want to show you the page of directions that I made for you. Let me minimize this so you can see. Okay. So let's pretend that this is your page. You're going to write the keywords around. This is like if you wanted to do a rough draft. You'd write the keywords around the edge, around the border, and then you'd pick your region. So for me, I was picking Sahara, and then I would have picked the tropical rainforest, savanna, and the Nile River. Then I could look back in my notes and figure out a fact. And then the pictures I can just find easily from Google. On the directions page on the bottom is a list of the regions we've studied. So to review, you could choose the Sahara Desert, the Sahel, the Savannah, Congo River, tropical rainforest, Mount Kilimanjaro, Nile River, or Lake Victoria. So there's 8 different regions that we've studied. I want you to pick 4 of them. Any 4 that you want to do works. So on the directions, if you were to start this, I'd say start on the directions, pick the 4 regions you want to do, and then maybe use this page to brainstorm like what was the fact that I wanted to share. You could use facts. The easiest place to look for your facts is in your notes, your C notes that you turned in, the fill in the blank notes. Another place to look for facts is on the quiz that we did that had very important facts. You could look back at my video with the quiz answers and use those facts. You don't need to search up new facts. I don't want you to go on Google and like search up a new fact. I want you to use a fact from what we learned, because the point of this whole one pager is to kind of put together like what have we learned and to put it on in one place in one final product. Okay. I want to show you one more resource I made for you. I made you a blank template. This is what you will be using to decorate with the words and with the facts. So I'm going to put this in the assignment so you have this template to use. Okay. I'm really excited to see your work. I think you are all much more creative than me when it comes to one-pagers. So I feel like mine is like not that good. Like I could have done a better job. And I would probably want to go back and make my handwriting like a little bit smaller so I could fit in some more words. But I basically wanted to give you an example. Okay, please reach out to me if you need some more directions. The main idea is I'm looking for the keywords going around the outside, and then for you to write about 4 of the different regions. Tell me a fact about 4 of the different regions and then some pictures. Can't wait to see your good work.